Okay, and for the participants, I just want to tell that we will be taking questions after this presentation. It will take another 5 to 10 minutes and we'll be over with it. We'll tell the details to you and then you can ask whatever questions you want to ask. We'll give you 10 minutes for that. Okay. So the Department of Telecom, Government of India has recently launched one 5G and Beyond Hackathon 2023. Through this hackathon, department seeks to promote indigenous development of products, use cases, and solutions in 5G and 6G technology. For that purpose, the department has invited applications from students, individual innovators, startups, and academia. But before going deep into the details of this hackathon program, I just want to touch upon the key attributes of 5G that makes this technology so special, so unique, and an enabler to digital transformation. So the first key capability is enhanced mobile broadband. With help of 5G, peak data rate of nearly 20 Gbps is available, but with 4G it was only 1 Gbps. Even if we compare the average speed of 4G and 5G, then 5G is nearly 10 times faster as compared to 4G. Second key capability is URLLC, that is ultra reliable and low latency communication. With help of 5G, we are able to get consistent and reliable connection. Further, the latency, that is the time taken between the command and the execution of it, takes only 1 millisecond. Because of this low latency, we are able to attain mission critical applications like robotic surgery and autonomous vehicles. Third property is massive machine type communication or MMTC. With help of this property, we are able to connect nearly 1 million IoT devices, or you can say 10 lakh IoT devices in a square kilometer area. Further, 5G technology is nearly 100 times more energy efficient as compared to 4G. That is why 5G technology is also called green technology. With help of these key capabilities of enhanced mobile broadband, ultra reliable low latency communication, and massive machine type communication, we are able to have several 5G use cases in different socio-economic sectors. For example, fixed wireless access in rural areas, which will provide broadband-like speed in the rural areas for education and work from home. Then we have AR, VR based effective learning and training methods based on 5G. 5G also offers immersive augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality experience. Though these experiences are available in 4G as well, but with 5G, the experience is way better and efficient. Further, we have smart ambulance that can transfer real-time data of the patient to the hospital while the patient is on the move. This is going to save a lot of lives. Then we have 5G enabled eyeglass for the visually impaired. 5G enabled smart agriculture for effective crop management, where we can use drones for spraying pesticides. We also have 5G enabled banking and financial services, which can track frauds in real time. 5G enabled face recognition system, where rogue elements can be identified in public area. This tool is going to be a handy tool for police and law enforcement agencies for public safety. Then we have 5G enabled V2X solution, where vehicles can coordinate for better traffic management. And also this will ensure safe movement of the passengers. We also have 5G enabled drones for aerial traffic management, 5G powered and virtual reality enabled surveillance drones, 5G drones for delivery of parcel first aid boxes. And 5G is also useful, highly useful in gaming, in the cloud gaming, and it allows you cloud gaming without the need of console. You can play these games on your mobile handset because the low latency and ultra and enhanced mobile broadband capability of 5G. 5G also offers this 3D holographic projection, which will transform the way human beings interact with one another. This is one example of remote controlled car on 5G. It was displayed during India Mobile Congress, which happened in 2022. Then we have 5G enabled posture monitoring sportswear as well. Lastly, we have the huge application of 5G in Industry 4.0, where we seek to digitize and automate the manufacturing sector for more efficiency and more productivity. Now, if we understand that this is just a tip of the iceberg and many more new applications are possible with 5G that can address the socio-economic challenges in rural, urban, and remote areas of India. To unearth more applications, rather new ones, Department of Telecom has launched 5G and Beyond Hackathon 2023. The applications for this hackathon are being invited from 28th June to 31st July 2023. The applications are invited in the following categories, broadly covering all the network elements, IoT applications and solutions using 5G and 6G, healthcare, education and governance, agri-tech and livestock, environment, public safety and disaster management, enterprise transformation, industry 4.0, smart cities and infrastructure, cybersecurity, banking, finance and insurance, logistics and transportation, multimedia and broadcast, satellite and others. Now in others, we have in telecom equipments with respect to radio access network and core network. Also security related solutions can be innovated, for example, in zero trust deployment, digital forensics in 5G and malware analysis. Startups, academia and individual or teams can apply in this hackathon. People, products and solution which are already selected by Department of Telecom in the previous 5G hackathon that we conducted in 2020, those people and startups are not eligible in this scheme to apply. Secondly, DCIS beneficiaries, Digital Communication Innovation Square beneficiaries. This is another scheme by DOT. Those startups who have been funded by DCIS scheme or people who are promoters or partners in DCIS are not eligible to apply. Further, the products and solution that you come up with should have a basic connection to this telecom technologies like 4G, 5G, 6G. Others are not eligible to apply. So startups, academia, and individual or team can apply. I will give you the detailed link also where you can go through the brochure and have better clarity. So this is the registration link for this hackathon, participating in hackathon, dcis.dot.gov.in/hackathon/registration. We will have 100 winners and we will give rupees 1 lakh to each winner, and we will transform their product from proof of concept level to a workable solution. Further, these winners will also get a free exhibition space at India Mobile Congress 2023 to showcase their products and solutions. Your product should be at least at the proof of concept level if you need to participate in this hackathon. Those having only idea are not allowed to participate. Your product or solution should be at least at the TRL level 3. DOT has a robust team which will shortlist the solution. This team consists of people from academia, people from bureaucracy, and people from industry. So your solution should have a quality and it should address some socio-economic problem of India. Marks and weightage will be given to the innovative approach and the extra mile you go for building your proof of concept. You need to build the flow to explain the solution and properly document it. Further, there should be a robust design, structure, and database knowledge. Now, if the cost of this product is less, then it can also be rolled out in rural and remote areas. That should also be kept in mind. Now, what are the objectives of this hackathon? So first is to promote India-specific 5G applications, research and development in the telecom field, intellectual property right creation in the telecom field, and manufacturing of telecom equipments in India under the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. We want to make in India, make for the world, and make with the world. This does not mean that we want to stop the imports altogether, but we want to be a major shareholder in exporting also. We will help you scale and implement your 5G and beyond products and solution and make them market ready with the help of Department of Telecom, Ministry of Electronics and IT, and leading industry, academia, telecom companies, and original equipment manufacturers. Further, this hackathon program is a pre-screening to our DCIS scheme. So DCIS is the Digital Communication Innovation Square scheme, under which we provide funds of up to 50 lakh rupees to the startups. This scheme will be starting in next 4-5 months. So stay tuned for this. So this is the link, dcis.dot.gov.in/hackathon. At the top, there is a hackathon, link also. You can click here and get all the details for this hackathon. I have marked it with blue tick. And thank you so much. Most of the details are available on the hackathon website. I have shared this details with you. Once again, I am sharing. In case there is some problem, you are not able to register or you need some clarification, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number or email to me on this given email ID. So kindly note it down or take a snapshot of this.